In the present case, as discussed and determined above, the unlawful acts and omissions of the returning officers in the commissions which have caused confusion and prejudice to PTI, its candidates and the electorate who voted for PTI are numerous and include the following. Roman 1, the wrong omission to clarify its order in its order dated 22nd December 2023 by the Commission that PTI is an enlisted and functioning political party, notwithstanding the rejection of its intra-party elections and non-allocation an election symbol. Roman 2, the wrong omission to clarify in its order dated 13 January 2024, which is symbols ka order pada, by the Commission that PTI is an enlisted and functioning political party, notwithstanding that it has not been allocated an election symbol and the candidates nominated by it are to be treated and mentioned as PTI candidates, not as independent candidates in the whole election process. Roman 3, the wrong mentioning of the status of PTI candidates by the returning officers as independent candidates in the list of contesting candidates. 4, the wrong decision on the application of a PTI candidate, Mr. Raja, by the Commission in rejecting his claim to be mentioned as a PTI candidate in the list of contesting candidates. Form 33, the wrong mentioning of PTI return candidates by the Commission as independent return candidates in the Section 98 notification. And Roman 6, the wrong acceptance of, now this is important, wrong acceptance of joining of some return candidates to SIC by the Commission, despite that it was not such a political party to which an independent return candidate could join under the proviso to paragraph D and E of Article 51(6) and paragraph C of Article 1063 or under clause 2 of Article 63A of the Constitution. In addition to the above, the making of an unconstitutional rule, the explanation to Rule 94 of the election rules by the Commission, which disentitles a political party to which an election symbol is not allocated from the allocation of reserved seats despite its winning the general election, also contributed to confusion and prejudice to PTI, its candidates and electorate. It is the background in which these rectification measures were taken. मैं जल्दी से आपको explanation 94 दिखा दूं. Kindly अगर आप देख लीजिए rules for election rules.
Rules must be in consonance with the act. Rule must be in consonance.
Yes.
Must not be in conflict.
Yes, this is what your lordship has held, and I'll come to that very shortly. जिसे कहते हैं after the break, sir. Sir, if your lordships may see Rule 94, Sub Rule 4 में explanation है, जरा देखिएगा. Subsection 4, and if your lordship may, especially for the new members, this is the chapter which deals with reserved seats, elections to reserved seats in an assembly. So this is chapter 6, sir. And इसमें उन्होंने कर दिया है explanation में, Rule 94 में, for the purposes of this rule, the expression political party means a political party to which a symbol has been allocated by the Commission. So PTI is out.
ये rules किसने बनाए?
ये election commission है.
Rules
जी.
कैबिनेट ने बनाए.
With the approval मेरे ख्याल में होगा.
अगर ये स्टैट्यूटरी रूल्स है तो इलेक्शन कमीशन क्या करेगी? इस पे अमल नहीं करेगी. बेशक गलत हो. Unless it is declared by some court that these are ultra vires.
जी जी. वो बात आपकी दुरुस्त है. But still, it's an illegal rule, sir.
लेकिन अगर इसको आप पढ़ेंगे सेक्शन 2,
सर ये अगर आप देख लीजिएगा 239 में कमीशन ही बनाता है रूल्स. If your lordship में see 239, 177 कैबिनेट नहीं है सर. The commission has to take the entire blame for this.
ये rules में amendment ECP notification.
जी जी जी. So the commission may, by notification in the official gazette, या section 239 पढ़ रहा हूँ, in the official gazette and publication on the website of the commission, make rules for carrying out the purposes of this act. The commission shall make the rules under subsection 1 subject to prior publication and after hearing and deciding objections or suggestions filed within 15 days of the publication.
अब सेक्शन 2 पढ़ लें इसी में, सेक्शन 2 रोमन 28 जिसमें पॉलिटिकल पार्टी डिफाइन किया गया।
सर वो
Definition.
डेफिनेशन में एक्ट में सर
जी जी, क्योंकि यहाँ एक्सप्लेनेशन में उन्होंने पार्टी वो डिक्लेयर कर दी जिसको सिंबल
बिल्कुल सर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, ये मैं डेफिनेशन में पढ़ रहा हूँ
228 है।
जी जी सर,
सेक्शन 2
28 है ये रोमन 28. Political party means an association of citizens or a combination or group of such association formed with a view to propagating or influencing political opinion and participating in elections for any elected public office or for membership of a legislative body including any assembly, the senate or local body. Simple thing is that through a rule you cannot go beyond the act. That is what your lordship has held. And simply because a party has becomes ineligible, ineligible.
कौन सा सेक्शन आप पढ़े रूल?
228.
सर ये सेक्शन 2 है डेफिनेशन इलेक्शन एक्ट 2017, इसका रोमन 28 अगर आप देखिएगा सर, पॉलिटिकल पार्टी की जो डेफिनेशन है।
ये
रूल में तो उन्होंने कोई तजावुज तो नहीं किया ना रूल में, वो तो वही से एक्ट से लिया उन्होंने डेफिनेशन।
नहीं, उन्होंने कह दिया कि जिसके पास सिंबल नहीं होगा वो पॉलिटिकल पार्टी नहीं है। एक्सप्लेनेशन में ये कह दिया।
दिस इज वो हमारे
जी जी, अगर मैं अगर वो रीजनिंग पढ़ दूं काइंडली,
हमारे नोट में ये बात है।
जी जी, अगर आप काइंडली देख लीजिएगा पेज 9 देख लीजिए मेरी पेपर बुक का, रूल 94 के हवाले से सीरियल नंबर 7।
पेज 9
serial number 7, page 9, type page 9, serial number 7. Rule 94 in violation of the Elections Act and Article 17(2). The explanation, ये serial 9 पढ़ रहा हूँ, the explanation to Rule 94 of the rules is therefore beyond the scope of the definition of a political party, hence amount to transgressing the limits and parameters provided by section 2 रोमन 8 ऑफ द एक्ट। अगर इसको जरा फर्दर एलैबोरेशन देखिए, अगर पेज 2 देखिएगा सीरियल नंबर 6, पेज 2 सीरियल नंबर 6, page 2 serial number 6, explanation to rule 94 election rules 2017 is the ultra vires to the Election Act and Constitution 1973. Its explanation stipulates that for the purposes of this rule the expression political party means a political party to which a symbol has been allocated by the Commission. By defining a political party in this manner, the explanation excludes a political party that has not been allocated a symbol by the Commission from being allocated a share of the proportionate representation of the reserved seats. No such exclusion of a political party as created by explanation to Rule 94 is provided in Articles 59, 6, 9 and E and 106, 3C of the Constitution. Nor is there any consequence of non-allocation of the election symbol provided in Section 215(5) or any other provision of the Elections Act. In effect, it has introduced an additional penal consequence of declaring a political party ineligible to obtain an election symbol under Section 215(5) of the Elections Act, and it has also infringed the constitutional right of a political party conferred by Article 51(6)(d) and E and 106(3) and C of the Constitution to have its due share of proportionate representation in the seats reserved for women and non-Muslim on the basis of general seat secured by such a political party. This explanation was thus clearly beyond and against the provisions of the Election Act and the Constitution. Simply because
ये तो हो नहीं सकता, एक पार्टी को पार्टी तो मान ले, इलेक्शन में कंटेस्ट करने दे, लेकिन कहीं चूंकि आपने सिंबल नहीं लिया इसलिए आपको रिजर्व सीट नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता।
ये भी एक कॉन्सिक्वेंस अटैच कर दिया। और जो मेन बात आपने कही है कि एक रूल्स के थ्रू, एक एक्सप्लेनेशन के थ्रू आप उसको बेसिकली वो राइट्स डिनाई कर दें जो उसको इलेक्शन एक्ट ने दी है और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने दी। आई मूव फॉरवर्ड सर।